Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your resolution settings on Netflix, so let's get right into it. Firstly, once you log into Netflix, what you're going to want to do is go into your profile settings. You do that by hovering over your profile and clicking onto account, and from there you want to go down and click on settings. Yeah, edit settings. There it is. I lost it for a second. Then once you're here, you want to go under preferences and search for the playback settings and then click on that. Here you can see your autoplay controls, which you do not need for this, and you have your data usage per screen. Now, as you can see, those are, well, they go from low to high, low being 0.3 gigabytes per hour, medium being 0.7 per hour, and high being 3 per hour for HD, and 7 gigabytes for Ultra HD. You want to select whichever one you want. To increase it, you click on high, and to decrease it, you click on medium or low, depending on what you want. I'll just keep it at audio or auto. Sorry, and this is sort of capped by your subscription. You have subscriptions for Netflix all the way from 720p to 1080p to 4K, and they all three cost different amounts of money, of course increasing from the lowest to the highest. And that's pretty much it. So to increase your resolution even more, you're gonna need to subscribe to a new plan, and sadly that's just it. You don't have any other way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.